In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Adobe Express. If you want people to click on a piece of text, a button, or even an image and be taken somewhere else. Adobe Express makes that process very simple. Hyperlinks are useful for presentations, interactive documents, digital flyers, and any project where you want to guide your viewer to another page, website, or section of your document. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where you want the link to appear. This is important because hyperlinks are added directly to the specific element in your project, so you'll want to be working on the correct page before making any changes. Once your project is open, select the item you want to make clickable. This can be text, a button, or an image, depending on how you want your audience to interact with your design. Just click on the element once so Adobe Express knows that's the object you want to edit. If you're using text, it helps to choose wording that clearly tells the viewer what the link is for. If you're using a button or image, make sure it looks intentional and easy to notice. After selecting your element, go to the top toolbar and look for the More Options button. Click that to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, find and select Link Options. This is where Adobe Express gives you the ability to connect your selected element to a destination. When the link field appears, paste your link into the provided field. If you're linking to an external destination, make sure the full link is entered correctly so it works as expected. Adobe Express may also give you the option to link to a page within your document instead. That's especially helpful if you're building something interactive, like a presentation or multi-page file, and you want viewers to jump from one section to another. After you've added the link or selected the page you want to connect to, click the check icon to confirm it. That saves the hyperlink to your selected text, button, or image. And that's it. Your hyperlink has now been added in Adobe Express. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to preview your project and test the link before sharing or publishing it. That way, you can make sure it opens the correct destination and gives your audience a smooth experience.